My name is Kayla and I reached out to MPH because I love fitness and I really wanted to compete in bodybuilding. So yeah, I reached out. Pretty much what I've achieved is, well, I was able to achieve that goal of competing. Training, nutrition, all of it was guided to bring the best possible version of myself forward for that competition. I wanted to compete because I love fitness and being the best version of yourself, and something I've always wanted to do, and then I just didn't want to waste a single minute. Life's short, you know. Didn't want to waste a second of it, so I went, screw it, I'm gonna compete. Yeah. The support. I think the amount of support from all the different teams, all the different areas is unmatched. I feel like bodybuilding can be a very isolating sport, but in this team and all of it, you don't feel so by yourself. You're very much supported and you're not alone. Yeah.